Hello everyone, I am Daksh Patel from the team Garuda. We build DevDiff project at the HackerRam Hackathon. So this is an PR review system with an upgraded version. So first I'll show you the dashboard and how it works. So we need to sign in with our GitHub account and it will fetch the all the previous project. If you created any project here, like there I have total created 3 projects. If you don't create it, so you have to create new project. You need to go and name, then it will show the all the repositories in which exist in your GitHub account. If it's private, it will show log. Okay, so now I am creating new project. Okay, I am giving its name test1. Then we can enter a manual name and give the repository URL. You can add any descriptions about the particular project, and then it start creating the project. It will first fetch the all the previous 30 PRs and start checking that all PRs. First, it will fetch the PRs and then starting reviewing it. Now it will start the analyzing the all histories of PRs one by one. So now it will analyze the first PR, then it will go to the end. It's work in batches. Okay, so till this is analyzing, I'll explain the layer structure of this, how this PR reviewing work. So first is PR URL input. You can see here. Then after it will fetch from the GitHub each and every PR changes and the codes updated. Then we uses the 20 security rules. The rules which is the criticals like the console logs, the env pushes like that system. It will check that 20 security rules. After that, it finds the hits and it's provide to the ML. The ML scorers works like that. It checks the patterns. Whenever that finds then any issues, it will check its validity. It's critical. If it's not critical, it's minor issue. It will give warning like that. It's find the particular issues, give it, make it report and give it to the ML scoring. And ML scoring passes the report to the website and it will show the critical issues, the total issues, and the minor issues with warnings. Okay, so now you can see that our all 20 PRs are analyzed. Now we can go to the simply histories. It will fetch the all the PR histories which are analyzed by the our ML model. So you can see that all these PRs are checked. So if you can go to view, it will load that particular PRs data and show it. So if there is mistake, it will show like that. There is console log left in the running code and like that the possible null difference pointer like that issues. If you can mark its fails, it will update in the ML model. So it will does not shown here. Now after there is one more feature for checking the scoreboard according to developers. So like this in this repo, there is total 3 developer work. One is Arya Patel, then Kalp, and then Dux. So now the Arya Patel write the clean code. The quality score is 84 of his. He whenever he mistakes any particular things multiple times, so it will increase the its percentage in the checking. So like console log errors he done multiple time, so it's increased its well checking. So you can see here there is 1.60x the weightage of the console log error. So while model is checking, it will more focus on the console log error, and there is JWT no expiry, that the ARIA never does this mistake, so it will reduce its weightage. Then after you can see all his PRs of this particular person with his risk in this dead PR. Also there is we written the more error code. So if the code has very errors, it will make its quality score 0, and the PRs is not be able to merge in the production. Like this 100 risk, it means whenever the PR merge to the production, it will crash the production. So there is the null error too many times, so it will updated the 2.05x its weightage. The console log error also is 2.5x. Now you can also check the heat map, which shows the bug density error. So which file contains the more bugs. So there is the file pushed by the Dux utils.js. It has the total 44 bugs. Then after the API logging file, the password file like that. So you can check that particular file with the total error. Like there is 12 warning. In the Dux/API/logging file has 20 critical issues. So we need to check it carefully. Now the running today is there is the authentication and the GitHub fetches with all your repositories. Then after when you insert your any repository, it will fetch the 20 security rules from that particular repos all PR. Then after our random forest ML scorer checks the scores of the critical errors and warnings and give you the count. There is optional LLM review, so it can suggest you the particular fixes of the errors. Okay.